Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our refrigerated display units. Okay, the model for this is the RT500L brand for the unit, our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the exterior measurements. Also, I'm going to measure the inside for you, so we give you all those measurements. Starting with the length here. You're looking at a total of about 25.5 inches, okay, by 25.5 inches. Okay, so that's going to be the measurement. Now, overall height, you're looking at a total of about 76.5 inches, 76.5 inches. As you can see, this unit has glass on all sides for display, okay, and you also have controls over here on the top. Okay, you have a lighting switch, you have a set switch. The unit will display the temperature once it's on and running. You can also set your temperature on that same control. Also, we have a lock for the door, so you will be provided with the keys for that as well. As we mentioned here, we also have casters for this unit. Okay, the casters, so you can easily move it around. You also have a stopper for the wheels. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the unit now and show you the inside. There will be LED lighting on all corners for this unit. You also will be provided with shelves. Okay, you have a total of 5 shelves for this unit. Now, inside the measurements, from the front to the back, here you're looking at 22.5 inches. Left to right will be 24 inches. And the overall height on the inside for this unit, you're looking at a total of about 52 inches of the height on the inside. Okay, so that's going to be a demonstration on the inside for this refrigerated display. Now, we want to go ahead and turn the unit around and show you the back. And on that sticker on the back, you can locate all the specs regarding this unit. Okay, so you will be able to find the model, okay, the refrigerant, voltage, all that information is going to be located on that back sticker for this unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration. If you're interested in one of these particular units, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.